guys, it's Melanie. As you can see, my room looks a little different. I've been getting a lot of comments because I've been posting little snippets of my room, and a lot of you guys have been asking. And yes, I did redo my room. Nothing new, because I get bored of my room really quick and I redo it and redecorate so often. But I'm really happy with how this turned out. So I think I'm gonna keep this look for a while. I've been really into the whole like green planty vibe. As you can see, they're all fake because I can't keep a plant alive for my life. So yeah, in today's video, I'm just gonna bring you guys along with me and show you the entire process of how I redid and redecorated my room. Hey guys, I also wanted to mention that this video is a collab with my girl Jazzy. She's also filming the same kind of video. She's doing a room makeover, and so I have it linked to the side, but you should totally check out her channel if you like my channel. She films very similar stuff. I absolutely love her personality, and she's so sweet, and her videos are so good. She has amazing style. She also has really great thrift flips. I already watched her video and it's great, so you guys should totally check it out and check out her Instagram and channel. I'll have it linked below, so make sure to go send her some love and say I sent you. Other than that, let's get into this room makeover. So okay, pretty much today I'm gonna do the majority of it, and this is kind of like vlog style, and it's kind of gonna be like an overlaps of me redecorating my room. I'm gonna be moving stuff around, so that's gonna be my workout for today, because you know, tiny little girl over here moving my fatty bed and my fatty desk and all this stupid furniture. I like to keep myself busy, okay? So basically what I'm gonna be doing is moving my furniture all around, because I like to do that every once in a while. And then I'm going to put some stuff, probably like Polaroids, and then I also got some new jewelry organizers, and then I also ordered these like vines that I want to put around, because yeah. And then hopefully later I will get some other things to add some finishing touches to my room. Okay, that's a lot of talking. Let's get started. All right, so the very first thing that I have to do is move it. Oh wait, I'll show you guys what my room looks like right now. Here's a little overview, really plain and simple. It's kind of boring. So what I think I'm gonna do is move everything around first. My plan is to move my bed over here, desk over here, mirror over there, this over there. This is just gonna stay. You know, that was confusing, so we're just gonna do it and you guys can watch me.
Oh, there they go. Hey, moving on that road. Hey, sunny day. Hey, even if the sun goes down on you, you gotta keep that shine on top, yeah. On top, yeah. On top, yeah. And even if the sun goes down on you, you gotta keep that shine on top, yeah. On top, yeah. On top, yeah. I'm cruising through the city. Had to get outside.
Alright, so little update. I just finished moving everything around my room, and I like pretty much all of it. Here's what it looks like. Still pretty messy. I'm gonna move that mirror right now. I'm gonna put it over here, I think. The only thing I don't like that's not very practical is that this desk, it's like squished over here, and so then I don't know, I just think that's kind of weird. But let's be real, I'm probably gonna change my room again in a few months, so I'm just gonna leave it like that for now, and I'm just gonna clean everything up a little, and then I'm gonna start decorating.
Couldn't get any more pretty. I'm moving. Hey, who's coming with me? Swerving on my bike.
Okay, so now that everything is pretty much in the right spot, I'm going to just work on like a particular section and go by section and kind of fill things in, you know, make it look a little bit nicer. Probably do finishing touches another day. The main thing that I want to do to my room is over here. Okay, now that you can see it, the main thing I want to, oh, I didn't think this through. No, I'm not really sure, because I wanted to put Polaroid over here and then right over here. And since it's like symmetrical, I was gonna have like a big box of Polaroids on each side, but I'm dumb and I forgot that my mirror is here. So I'm not exactly sure what I'm gonna do anymore, but we'll figure that out later because I'm not working on that section yet. So we're just gonna work on my desk over here first. I don't think I'm gonna do much over here. The only thing I know is I want to put these thingies back up, and I'll probably end up putting like some plants or something on these. There's literally nothing on my desk except for that little lamp, and I think I'm gonna put some of my pens out or something like that.
I could always stay this way, hey, chilling by the...
Alright, so I just found some little plants around my house, and that's the awesome thing about redecorating my room so often is I have all these random things in my house, and honestly I just redecorate my room by like taking stuff from my living room and putting it in my room, so oh my gosh. Good thing they're not real because I suck with real plants. Oh my gosh. But I really want a real plant who can be my friend.
Had to make me say that even if the sun goes down on you.
Alright, so this is what my finished desk area looks like. It's pretty simple, and I'm probably gonna like change some stuff around. I'm not really sure, but that's for now, and I'm gonna move on over to this little section now.
You gotta keep that shine on top, yeah. 4-7, what's the 4-11? On top, yeah. On top, yeah.
Okay guys, now for a little room decor haul. Because, you know, I got a little excited, okay? Like, whatever. So I got a few things. First off, I got this thingy from Amazon, and I'm gonna hang all my scrunchies, jewelry and stuff on it. Really excited about this because currently my jewelry is all tangled up and it's in my closet. The next thing we got is from my dear friends TJ Maxx, the place I go when I literally don't need anything, but I end up buying everything. Love that for me. So first off, got me this little plant because we all addressed that Melanie can't keep plants alive. I also got this thing. This was honestly a total waste of money, but I think it's cute, so whatever. It wasn't like the soap section, and it was kind of expensive, but I think it's meant for toothbrushes, but I'm gonna use it for my makeup brushes. The reason I like this so much is because it kind of matches with this thingy I got. Oh gosh, I don't really know what it's called. It's like a holder thingy. I'm gonna put all my skincare and random thingies in it, and I'm so excited. So let's go set this up.
Yeah. And even if the sun goes down on you, you gotta keep that shine on top, yeah. On top, yeah. On top, yeah. Yeah. Now break. Take it in. Feel it all around. Take a breath. Feel the wind. Don't fake. That's a sin. Invest in yourself.
Okay, so I'm pretty much finished with this area, and now I changed some stuff around over here. I added this and the clock, and then I just kind of changed a little bit around. I'm gonna change some of my desk stuff around as well. I'm deciding to use this makeup thing as my pen holder instead.
Liberate, dividend, cash it in, never spend, unless you chillin' with a friend, and he don't have the means to get his pocket.
Alright, so now that we're done with all of those things, we're gonna go into the main part, which you saw in the picture, so yeah. So basically what I'm gonna do, along these two sides, I'm gonna put like 2 rows of Polaroids, and then I got these like vine thingies, and I'm gonna hang those around my window along with some fairy lights.
Feel within, still a man is wishing I could always stay this way. Hey, chilling by the bay, had to make me say that even if the sun goes down on you, you gotta keep that shine on top, yeah.
Alright, so if you can see, I did one side and now I have to do the other. Hopefully it doesn't look weird because of this mirror, but you know, it's too late now. I really can't do anything about that. We're gonna do the other side now.
On top, yeah. On top, yeah. And even if the sun goes down on you, you gotta keep that shine on top, yeah. On top, yeah. On top, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Alright guys, so I have both of the pictures up. It's not super even, like whatever, but you know, it's fine. Now I'm gonna do the last thing for this video, which is these like vine thingies from Amazon, like 10 bucks for a bunch of it. And then I also have these fairy lights, and I'm just gonna hang them like up around, lining my little window.
Though you're gone far away, even if the sun goes down on you, you gotta keep that shine on top, yeah. On top, yeah. On top, yeah. And even if the sun goes down that shine on.
Alright, so I just finished up. This is what it looks like with the vine and the lights, which you obviously can't really see right now because it's still daytime. But yeah, that's what my finished room looks like. I'll do a quick overview.
Yeah, on top, yeah, on top, yeah. I'm cruising through the city.
So yeah guys, that is pretty much it for this video. I might do some minor little changes, but I think I'm pretty much good with this. I really like it, so I think I'm just gonna leave it like that. If you guys want an in-depth like room tour or anything like that, make sure to let me know in the comments. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Alright guys, so that was the video, and that was my entire process of redoing, making over, whatever, my room. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and that it was fun to see my little room transformation. Let me know if you want to see any other room decor type videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!
Even if the sun goes down on you.